In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a conditional branching workflow in Typeform using logic jumps, so your form can adapt to the answers your users provide. This is a fantastic way to personalize the user experience and gather more relevant information, all within Typeform's intuitive editor. To get started, open up your web browser and go to typeform.com. Once you're on the site, log in with your account details. If you don't already have a Typeform account, you'll need to create one and set up your form first. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a list of forms you've created on your Typeform dashboard. Take a moment to find the form you want to work on, then click on it to open the form editor. This is where you'll make all your changes and apply logic to your questions. On the left-hand side of the editor, look for the section called Workflow. Click on Workflow and you'll be taken to a visual overview of how your form flows from one step to the next. This is the place where you set up how users move through your form based on their responses. Next, click on the specific question where you want the branching logic to start. It's important to choose a question whose answer will determine what the user sees next. Once you've selected the question, you'll see several options appear. Find and click on the Logic or Logic Jump option. This feature allows you to create rules that control what happens after someone answers the question you've selected. Now click on Add Rule. This is where you'll define what should happen when a user picks a certain answer. After clicking Add Rule, you'll see options to specify the answer choice that you want this rule to apply to. Go ahead and select the exact answer option you want to trigger the logic jump. Once you've selected the answer, look for the drop-down menu that appears. Click the drop-down and you'll be able to choose what should happen next. Either direct your respondent to the next specific question or send them straight to the end of the form, depending on your goal. Pick the option that matches your desired workflow. When you're happy with your selection, just click Save to confirm the rule. And that's it. Your conditional logic is now set up. A quick tip, you can repeat these steps for any question in your form, allowing you to create multiple logic jumps for more advanced branching paths. Always preview your form to double check that the logic works as expected before sharing it with others. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to use logic jumps in Typeform to tailor your form's journey for every user.